Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is sweltering. It is pronounced swell-ter-ing and spelt S-W-E-L-T-E-R-I-N-G. Think swell, ter, and then ing. Sweltering means extremely hot and humid. It's a state of being uncomfortably hot. It's also a way to describe a weather condition that is extremely hot. For example, you could say, the city was sticky and sweltering during the horrid heat wave. Or, I was sweltering and the air was thick with humidity. The word sweltering comes from the Old English word sweltern, which means to die from heat. Today, it doesn't quite mean a temperature so dramatic that you might die, but it can describe any very hot weather. In Charlotte's Web, by E.B. White, the barn where Charlotte and Wilbur live is described as sweltering. This is due to the intense summer heat on the farm. Synonyms for sweltering include scorching, boiling, sizzling, and baking. Antonyms for sweltering are cool, chilly, and mild. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, sweltering. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.